Welcome to You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take some old parking lot light fixtures and we're going to repurpose them into planting beds for the greenhouse. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can do it. I've removed all the triangle pieces here. That's nice and smooth. Cut it out with a grinder. It was pretty easy. Didn't take a whole lot. You could probably use a Sawzall to do the same thing. So now I'm cutting some 10 mil plastic here to line the inside of the box. Had some scrap pieces here. So let's go ahead and drop these in. I've got these squares. I made them a little bit bigger so that they go up on the sides. So I got that in there, and then I'm just going to wrap the inside here with some plastic and then tape it up around the top. And that should work. Then there is a hole in the bottom of the fixture. I'll cut a hole in it so the water can drain. And I'm ready to throw some dirt in it once I get this outside layer in. I've got the box lined on the inside here. I just taped up the sides up underneath that lip right there. And the bottom plastic, it goes up under the side so it's nice and long. I cut a hole in the bottom, and now I'm just going to cut a piece of welded wire, and I'm going to stick that down there where the hole is so all my soil doesn't fall out the bottom. I'll just tape it in place. All right, let's show you what we've got going on here. So we got 2 rows of 3 boxes in here. My wife leveled them all up, and we just got them sitting on brick down here. So they're all lined and they're ready for dirt, ready to put dirt in them. So we got these in the greenhouse here, and this is our other bed that we did on the greenhouse build. This is just a truck fender that we got from the salvage yard. We just turned it up on edge, a semi truck trailer fender, and it runs the full length of the greenhouse. So these light boxes make a perfect width here to get down through here with a wheelbarrow, and it worked out awesome. I'm pretty happy with it, and so is she. So we're going to go ahead and start filling it up with dirt and start putting some plants in them. So we got these light boxes. They're all installed nice and level. We use some foundation blocks to level them up in here, and they're full of nice rich soil. We got 6 of these things. You'd never know that these were from a parking lot light structure. Pretty good sized light boxes, and now they're planters. So we upcycled these, kind of thought of something else we could use them for, and it turned out to be something amazing. So thank you for watching. You Can Do It. Stay tuned for our next video.